Whoa. Oh. Whoa. And this. Whoa. Okay. T. Are you okay?
Why would I switch on the dap for a penny? Woo! Why would I switch on the dap for a penny? 1, 2, 3, Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Oh Bella, this is your girl Lisa. We have just made it to Miami and we already had an incident. So one of my cousins, we literally got to the airport at 4 a.m. Both of us got to the airport at 4 a.m. and she still happened to miss her flight. So she won't be able to come in until tomorrow. I don't know how it happened, guys. Maybe because we were doing a little drinking before we got to the airport. I don't know what she was doing. But we got there like an hour before her flight started. So she missed her flight and she won't be able to get in tomorrow. But right now we're just getting a bite to eat because I literally have not slept or ate in 24 hours. So I'm gonna get something in my stomach before I start drinking again. Because it's my birthday.
It's only up to here.
Yes, I'm turning 25, guys. So my birthday is officially tomorrow. And yeah, right now we're gonna get a bite to eat. We'll see you when we get in St. Thomas. That is the next flight that we're gonna catch. And we should get there around 3 p.m. guys. So bye.
I got the recipe. Yeah. Go dummy, since I've had the recipe just to get cheddar, cheese nigga been trying to stand next to me. Down bad on my dick, I was all on my own. Said I don't remember you helping me. Want a piece of my cake, trying to sit on my throne. Said I did not need you right next to me. Trying to figure me out, trying to see what it about. You better find your own recipe. Since I've had the recipe, nigga been faking and flying and trying to stand next to me. Since I've had the recipe, nigga been talking and gossiping, trying to get the best of me. Cause I got the recipe. Said I got the recipe. Since I've had the recipe, nigga been faking and flying and trying to stand next to me. Since I got the recipe, nigga been talking and gossiping, trying to get the best of me. Cause I got the recipe. Said I got the recipe. I got the mid no red man. I'm in the top like a headband. Play with this shit, you a dead man. I know you heard what I said, man. I'm the one you should believe in. Next thing that's what you receiving. I'm with your bitch for the weekend. I'm tryna dive in the deep end. I had to get out the vision of flexing and flossing they niggas, cause I ain't really with that, ooh. I got the chop with the kickback, thinking make a DY, told me a Big Mac, ooh. Yo nigga broke, I can fix that, get out in the stomach. Ain't talking no six pack. They talking K, go and get that, and my nigga solid with them, I split that, ayy. Baby, would you really ride for a nigga? Would you really die for a nigga? Drive down and open up fire for a nigga. Go to try and just lie for a nigga. Show me you really believe and know the recipe inside of a nigga. And let me hit it one more time right before you say goodbye to a nigga. Since I've had the recipe just to get cheddar, cheese nigga been trying to stand next to me. Down bad on my dick, I was all on my own. Said I don't remember you helping me. Want a piece of my cake, trying to sit on my throne. Said I did not need you right next to me. Trying to figure me out, trying to see what it about. You better find your own recipe. Since I've had the recipe, nigga been faking and flying and trying to stand next to me. Since I've had the recipe, nigga been talking and gossiping, trying to get the best of me. Cause I got the recipe. Said I got the recipe. Better than me, you scared of the G, I know I can tell a nigga. Don't you be acting hard, you ain't got no heart, that fear I can smell a nigga. How you just my prey, I feel like a predator. Got no competitors, nobody better. With the rap game, I got a vendetta. You give me that leverage, I won't do no letting up. Better feeling than this shit. When you handle all your business and get what you deserve, that feels so superb. I'm checking shit up on my wish list. I'm fly as a bird, this shit like a turd. I know you niggas can't miss this, but I know that you heard I jumped off the curb and all my niggas, they some misfits. Done daughter, baby, get the dollars. Drop top of coupe and she gon' holler. Want to smoke like a roster, sauce like it's pasta. You an imposter partner. My neck and wrist dripping that agua, and she call me daddy, her papa. See, I got the power like Austin. I get the mojo from my father. Yeah. Huh? Hey GB. Hey. Damn. Hit from the balcony just for you talking. We turn your whole scene to catastrophe. Ball like an athlete, I paint these pics every time that I drop. It's a masterpiece. I want the profit and tell them just stop it if these niggas ain't talking cash to me. I'm bout it like I'm Master P. Ho, I know I got it, ain't no gas in me. Drippin', I spill for real, the king of the hill. Bitch, I'm walking around with these hank. All these little niggas talking, but ain't show no action. So fuck what a little nigga think. I just cashed out on the foreign and got some more cash. I never seen you at the bank. All of my shit, it be rare, they like us unfair. Cause I do that shit that they can't. Commas all in my bank account. Money all that I think about. Look how far we done came, baby. Going back, no I can't right now. Conference call, money, conversation. Profit all that we talk about. I hit the bank.
It might be cold in this house. Okay guys, so everyone has taken their little naps or whatever. I was not asleep because I slept on the plane the whole time. But yeah, we are about to go. We're waiting on the cab. Talia, where are you? And we're about to go to pick up some alcohol for the house. And then we're going to a couple bars.
Party started.
And we're about to get this, what you say, Kiara?
Motherfucking party started.
Period. Period, okay? The cab's here. Y'all want to see my little ensemble tonight? My bad. That ass so good. Let them see the side. Let them see the side. Ooh. Cab's here. Cab's here. The cab's here. Say it, T. The cab's here. The cab's here.
I hit the bank, make a withdrawal, smelling the cash, and you know I'ma count it out. That's a count it out, count it out, count it out, count it out. I'ma count it out, count it out, count it out, count it out. Gotta count it out, count it out, count it out, count it out. I hit the bank and I count.
That's what I need to be over.
All right, guys. So we are walking around trying to find something to eat. We want something really authentic, so we didn't want to go to any of these like well-known restaurants or whatever. So we're gonna pull up on a food truck, and it smells so good, like so good. So yeah, gonna see what they talking about. You know they don't know how to drive out here. Y'all, like literally it's a one-way street. It looks like a one-way street, but two cars on there going opposite ways. Ooh.
Just chicken, but mild. We don't make it peppery, girl.
No peppery.
We make it mild.
Mild.
Or usually you choose the two sides, you know? Yeah, either hot or mild stuff.
It
but
smells so good.
it not just smell good, girl.
It
What's
tastes
wrong
good
with
too.
you? It tastes good, girl. You crazy? Look at them, man. Look at them, man. They're like vultures. Flip them, flip them. Let their wives see all you. Let them see them flip.
Okay, you gotta run through those sides again.
Rice and peas.
I
What?
got chicken, potato salad, coleslaw, baked macaroni, pasta salad, rice, on the cup, girl.
Yes.
Rice and baked macaroni, girl.
Yes. Hungry number 1, hungry number 2, hungry number 3. We couldn't even like get to a resting stop to eat, guys. We're still at the food truck. And guess what? I'm about to do the same thing, honestly. Hop up here. Actually, scoot over. I don't even know if this camera really on me because I haven't got the little thing up. But their food looks so good. It is.
Ooh, it's on fire. Yes. Thank you. Good. I might eat the burger. Thank you. I'm trying to think which one am I wearing right now.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Go birthday girl. Yeah. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
She got some nipples.